Hello friends, in today's session we will understand addiction in youngsters. So in this session we will cover the topic what is addiction, why addicted person crave for it, age when a person get addicted, mobile addiction, symptoms of mobile addiction, precaution or measures to be taken. So let's start with it. First we will understand what addiction is. For इन सिंपल वर्ड एडिक्शन कोई चीज़ की बुरी आदत लगना, अगर वो चीज़ ना मिले तो वह आदमी परेशान हो जाता है और गुस्सा करने लगता है। एडिक्शन बहुत सारी चीज़ों का हो सकता है। बेसिक एग्जांपल ड्रग्स, अल्कोहल, स्मोकिंग, टोबैको, गैम्बलिंग एंड एक्सेट्रा। सो वाई अ पर्सन क्रेव फॉर इट, एक आदमी जो ये चीज़ों का एडिक्टेड होता है वो क्यों इस चीज़ का क्रेव करता है। बेसिकली हमारे दिमाग में एक डोपामिन करके एक केमिकल रहता है जो रिलीज होता है, विच मेक्स द एडिक्टेड फील गुड, फील रिलैक्स एंड गिव हिम प्लेजर एंड सेटिस्फैक्शन एंड मेक द ब्रेन से द फीलिंग इज गुड एंड आई वांट मोर। एज व्हेन अ पर्सन गेट एडिक्टेड, one alcoholic discover alcohol when they are in teenage, and after that whenever they are in any social stress, financial stress, family stress, they don't turn to family or friends, they turn to alcohol. This basically is hardwired in their mind, so whenever they are in stress or they feel lonely, they try to have some drinks. Same way we have an addiction in which is very much famous in youngsters. This addiction is known as IGP. It is addiction of mobile. IGP stands for internet, game and pornography. Now this addiction is developed in youngster by parents or relatives, by themselves, by siblings or by friends. So basically we need to understand that there is a restriction on smoking and drinking, but there is no age restriction on social media or cell phone. This addiction is same as opening a bar counter and telling the youngster that you can drink as much as you want. So this thing is hardwired in their mind, and whenever they feel lonely, depressed or they are in some kind of stress, so they won't turn to family or friends, they won't talk about it or they won't discuss these issues, they will directly turn to the mobile phone or electronical gadgets. Symptom of mobile addiction. First symptom would be disrupting sleep. In night, in 8 hours sleep, getting up 4 times or more than 4 times would be a issue which is related to mobile addiction. The next is obesity, which would be considered as overweight, and this is because of not having any physical activities. So they just sit down and play with mobile phone, more distracted. They won't be able to concentrate on one work. Less emotional stability, they won't be able to control their emotions or they won't be able to control their anger, and they would break down emotionally. Uh, Difficulty making friends, they would prefer living alone and hanging out with mobile phone. They won't like to be with anyone, even family or friends. They would prefer to have mobile phone and they would like to play with their mobile phone. Inability to finish tasks, they won't be able to cope up with the task given, and they would quit in between and they won't be able to complete it. Poor ability to handle stress, they won't be able to handle the stress. If the stress will increase, they would get into the depression mode and they would turn on to the mobile. Increased depression symptom and suicide related outcomes. Precaution and measures to be taken. Family time should be increased. There should be a time where family members should sit together, discuss the daily routine, what exactly they have done in office or what how was their day, interact with each other and have a a happy environment where no mobile phone or no electronic device are kept. They can play any indoor game, they can share the stories of their life. Basically, we need to interact with the child so that they develop the emotion. Second, increase the indoor or outdoor activity. Basically, provide them activity in which there is no electronical device. Either provide them by any craft work or drawing to do activities, so that they will be engaged in that thing and they won't utilize their time in the activity. Or any outdoor game, so basically you can put them into any gym or any physical activity where they can participate. So you can register them for football, basketball, any sports activity, or keep an activity at home so that they can the bonding between the parents and child increase and they have a strong understanding of each other. Blu-ray device hygiene. In this, basically I would like to tell you that whenever you are going to bed, keep a place where you will keep all your handset together or away from you. You should not take your handset in the bed. So it would be recommended that keep it away from you. So if you are keeping an alarm and you want to wake up early, I would recommend you to buy a clock so that you can set an alarm. If you are having a laptop or computer setup in your home, try to keep the laptop setup facing towards the people. It should not, the screen should not face the wall, so that you can also see what exactly your child is doing sitting on the computer. Okay. And next thing, whenever you are having Wi-Fi connection, see to it that your Wi-Fi connection is just available at the time till you sleep. After that, the Wi-Fi should be off. There should be no electronical devices given to the child during the bedtime. Even they are having any project work, you need to see that project work is done before the bedtime. If your child is addicted to the mobile phone, there would be a tip so that you can't directly take the mobile phone from them. So what exactly you can do is you can keep a time frame. In the time frame, you can keep a morning session, a evening session, and a night session. And in that half an hour, you can give them to play or to surf on the mobile phone. After that, you can take the mobile phone back. But if they are into any social media platform or any gaming sites, or they are into any gaming application, try to join them and try to play with them or try to understand their social media site. So if they are into Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, try to be friends with them in the social media site and try to follow them, what exactly they are doing, who are their friends, are they adding unknown friends. So this way you can monitor your child also what exactly they are doing in social website. It is always said that you need to talk with them and you need to understand what exactly they are saying. If you will listen to their nonsense, then they will listen to your sensible talk what you want to say. So it's always like that, that whenever you are talking with them and if they are talking with you, try to listen them, try to understand what exactly they are saying and what exactly they want, and praise them. You need to develop the emotional bonding between parents and child. This is very much necessary. I hope this information would be useful for you. Do share this video to your close and dear ones. Thank you very much for watching this video.